In this video, I'm going to show you how to make red velvet cookies. For this recipe, you're going to need 2½ cups of flour, 1½ cups of sugar, 14 tablespoons of unsalted butter room temperature, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 2½ teaspoons of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of red food coloring, 2 eggs at room temperature, and some extra sugar for dusting. Using an electric mixer, combine the butter and sugar until it's smooth. Now add the eggs one at a time. Now mix in the vinegar, vanilla, and food coloring. In a separate bowl, combine the flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. Now add the dry mixture a little at a time to the wet ingredients. Now measure out the dough in a heaping tablespoonful and roll the dough around in the sugar that we had for dusting. Bake in an oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. Remove the cookies from the oven and place the baking tray on the wire rack to cool for a couple of minutes before removing the cookies and placing them directly on the wire rack to cool completely. For the icing, you're going to need 3 cups of powdered sugar, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter at room temperature. Combine the cream cheese and the butter together. Now add the powdered sugar in and a little at a time. Now it's time to add in the vanilla. You can ice the entire cookie or pipe it like I'm doing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you try to make these, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.